Hi guys, today I've just received this new heavy duty extension cord. As you can see, it's it's very well secured here, and on the connecting side it has this cap to protect so don't get dirt on it. It also comes with this strap so you can grab it and be easy to manage. It's a very long extension cord, so it's very practical to use. As you can see, gives quite some space. So I'm gonna use it. These kind of extension cords are perfect to use on outdoors, like camping, stuff like that. So I'm gonna connect some things outside and I'll see if it really works as it should. I mean, it does, no? But let's see how it works. Okay, so now if I plug it in, there it is connected. And what I was going to connect was this projector, and it works. So I really recommend this extension cord. It's very practical. As I've said, is heavy duty, so you won't have any problems with that usage. As you can see, you can use it outdoors, you can use it indoors. There's not a problem with this. Another good thing about this extension cord is that the yellow color is good, so you can actually see well the extension and not lose it.